Steak and mushrooms. Who doesn't like steak and mushrooms? Maybe it's you. Maybe you should go hug a baby, clean your room or something, instead of watching this video. Alright, I'm going to show you my favorite recipe for steak and mushrooms. Got a steak. Going with chestnut mushrooms, otherwise known as Pholiota adiposa. These are homegrown, we grew these ourselves. A little bit of garlic, a couple sprigs of rosemary, and some butter. What you didn't see is first we let the meat sit out for 20 minutes, let it kind of come up to room temperature, and then sprinkle it with, liver leaves with salt. And then get your pan nice and hot, put your steak in, and leave it in, and don't touch it for like 3-4 minutes. Once it gets a good crust on it, then you go ahead and flip it. I'll let that go for about 2 or 3 more minutes. Alright, so steak's almost done. Next thing I'm going to do is just add a little bit of butter. Pretty good little pad. Go ahead and add our rosemary. I'm going to let that melt down. Kind of have it marry with the rosemary. And just spoon some of the melted butter over top of the steak. Gonna baste that really good and then return it to the heat, to turn the heat down a little bit. I like my steak rare, so at this point it's already cooked as far as I'm concerned. We're just gonna let it baste a little bit. Alright, the steak's done, looking great. I'll put that over here on the plates to rest. Now you've got all that butter, all that nice beef flavor still in the bottom of the pan. Throw in your garlic. Turn the heat back up a little. Just long enough for the garlic to become fragrant, don't burn it. Mushrooms can go ahead and go in. We're going to let those cook down for about 5 or 6 minutes. Also going to add a little bit of salt. And a little pepper. And really they don't need much beyond that. The salt, pepper, butter, and the garlic is really going to help to bring out the flavor of the mushrooms, which is naturally kind of like a robust, almost nutty, really interesting flavor. Alright, mushrooms look great, good and caramelized. Well, there you have it, folks, my quick and easy steak and mushroom recipe. We decided to have a baked potato with it as well. You can dress that up any way you like it. If you enjoyed this content and you want to see more like it, please hit the like button, subscribe, leave me a comment, tell me what you thought. I'll see you next time.